In this video, you'll learn how to utilize the Microsoft Word connector in 3DEXPERIENCE. We will explain how templates improve your company's data management and document control processes. This is achieved using the Direct Connect integration between MS Word and 3DEXPERIENCE. In this scenario, James, Ryan, and Florian are working together on a quote for a customer. In a couple of clicks, James, our sales manager, can open a saved template from 3DEXPERIENCE into MS Word. The quote template opens and James enters new information to the document. Once James modifies the new quote, he clicks Save as New. He enters a new title for the document and chooses an existing bookmark folder in 3DEXPERIENCE. Saving the quote into 3DEXPERIENCE will now allow his team members to access it, collaborate as a team, and make individual modifications as necessary. Now, Ryan, the bid manager, logs into 3DEXPERIENCE. He finds the quote from James quickly using the powerful search functionality. He selects the quote and checks it out and downloads the file to his local computer. As a result, the file is locked, and Ryan is the only individual with editing rights until the document is checked back in. In MS Word, he changes the document and saves it back into 3DEXPERIENCE. This action creates a new version. All the history of the previous versions are stored for traceability throughout the document's lifecycle. Back in 3DEXPERIENCE, Ryan chooses to create a route for Florian, a supply chain administrator. Ryan requests Florian to review and approve the information before it is released and submitted to the customer. Now we see Florian receives a notification through email for the route task. He clicks the link, which takes him directly to 3DEXPERIENCE. Florian reviews the instructions and downloads the document. He verifies the information is accurate and approves the route. Routes are an essential process for internal governance. Several route options exist to meet your business processes. For example, routes can be stopped, started, or rejected. Specific notifications can be set. Electronic signatures can auto-promote and release a document when the route is approved. These are examples of invisible governance. Ryan receives an email notification when the route is approved. The quote can now be promoted to the release date and submitted to the customer. You have just learned how to use the Microsoft Word connector for 3DEXPERIENCE and how to leverage the MS Word template capability.